Hello, my car-loving friends. Every recommendation in this video has been confirmed by professional mechanics. So relax, your problem has a solution. To start, that DSC not available message in one of these cars shows up when the vehicle stability control system temporarily stops working. That's right, you heard me, temporarily. This system helps you maintain control on curves, slopes, or slippery surfaces. So when it turns off, the car is basically telling you to drive with caution. We've had customers say, it popped up while it was raining and I felt the car handled differently in the curves, which confirms that this is more of a safety warning than a direct malfunction. On the other hand, one of the most common causes is related to the wheel sensors and the ABS system. In the shop, some customers mentioned, I drove through deep mud and suddenly the message appeared and wouldn't go away. Here, we always explain that if a sensor sends incorrect or inconsistent information, the ESC module detects it and automatically deactivates the system to avoid risks. As we say among technicians, if the car doesn't know exactly what's happening with the wheels, it prefers not to intervene at all. Additionally, there are cases where the battery or voltage plays an important role. We've had vehicles come in where customers mentioned that the battery was low and all the electronic alerts started going off. In these modern models, any drop in voltage can affect multiple systems, and the DSC is one of the first to deactivate as a preventative measure. Continuing with this, another point that can't be ignored is the ABS control module or even the DSC system module itself. Some customers tell us at the shop they had to use a scanner to reset the module and everything went back to normal. Even in technical bulletins from the manufacturer, it's stated that in certain models, software updates or module recalibrations may be necessary if the messages persist, especially in newer units with integrated electronic systems. So, my friends, please don't forget to leave a comment if this information, which I put together with the shop's technicians and through interviews with the shop's customers, has helped you.